Hey there, Metaverse explorers, personal development enthusiasts, lightworkers of any kind, life coaching influencers, aspiring millionaires, inspired billionaires, and anyone striving to become the best version of yourselves. Welcome to How Is Really Done, introductory video on who we are and what we do differently. I'm thrilled to have you on this journey as we dive into making our dreams reality, using the incredible world of Earth's digital twin metaverse. Imagine a realm where you can have anything you want, be anyone you desire, and live the life you've always dreamed of, in a world that mirrors our own planet. On our world, you can come from any background, poor or wealthy, from no school to PhD or higher. Any religion, any color or orientation. We are all one, having the same chances and possibilities. We can assist each other to create anything you desire, and you start from a clean slate. So what exactly is this Earth's digital twin? How can it help us to transform our lives? Essentially, it's a metaverse that replicates the real world we live down to the finest detail. Picture this, a private, uninhabited island, the one you are now watching in the background, transformed from uninhibited dry land before into a bustling paradise, all within the metaverse. We create anything we want on the metaverse. We create the happy, healthy, wealthy version of ourselves. Then we transform our personality with techniques we will have available on this channel. And for some us, slower or faster, our current self will attempt to match our metaverse version. Step 1 is to understand the need to change. Step 2, to construct our ideal metaverse version of us. It is crucial to see our desired world possible. We create in advance a version of our future's reality, and there are no limitations. Now, let's talk about how it's really done. This series is designed to guide you through the steps and real-life examples of how to become the metaverse version of you. We advise and suggest you as a viewer to be watching the 10-minute video mini-seminars to assist you going from the metaverse ideal version of you to your desired reality with ease. On the videos episode 1 to 4 following, I'm going to show you how to use specific modes to create a custom-made video scenario that can serve as your blueprint for the perfect life. It is crucial for us that you understand our baseline so you can fully embark on this exciting journey of transformation with us. The backgrounds of our videos are and will be custom-made recorded scenarios. They reflect the ideal realities of different people, creating powerful visual representations of their deepest desires. There are 4 key factors that determine how quickly your visualizations will become reality. The first factor is the length of the visualization. How long you can hold the picture of what you want in your mind. No matter how vivid and time-lengthy is the visualization, the time of the day you visualize plays a crucial role. Visualization sessions have to be done in specific times of the day in order to be dynamic and have a compounding force. The second factor is the frequency. How often you visualize the object of your desire. We recommend watching our videos first thing in the morning and last thing at night, before you start your day and before you fall asleep. It will be setting the mode of your day in order. The first thing you to see is the ideal, unstoppable version of you. By seeing yourself being your ideal version of you on your custom-made videos will boost your confidence going out, working hard, and applying that ideal version of you on anything you are doing. Maybe what you're doing right now is not the ideal, but if you go out every day and give your best self on your current reality, synchronicities will allow you to go somewhere better very soon. Do that and then write a comment below on what happened to you and how did your life change. Share your story no matter how significant or insignificant you think it is. You don't know who is going to be inspired. The third factor is the intensity of the visualization, how much emotion you connect to the mental picture. The custom-made video with Metaverse Mode elements will allow you and assist you to merge with the emotional state you need to be in order your ideal life to crystallize into the present moment. The fourth factor is the vividness, how clear your mental image is. The vividness is increased by 1000% using the Metaverse Mode video where we see yourself as the key player of your life. We are committed to ensure that all 4 factors are met to your standards, allowing you to see results quickly. you'll be amazed at how lifelike everything is. The background you see in this video is from a real location, a private, uninhabited dry island. Before that, we've transformed into what you see right here. And we're continually building and expanding. Now, let's talk about living in the air. This isn't just about creating a beautiful space. It's about embodying the ideal version of yourself. Living that future version of you now, with all the vividness, with all of your senses, is where our custom-made videos can assist you. The Metaverse ideal version of you will expedite your progress for you to be what you are always wanted to become. In Earth's digital twin, you can practice new skills, try out different lifestyles, and truly live your best life. Imagine waking up in your dream home, sipping coffee as the sun rises over your private island. It's not just a fantasy, it's your new reality. Real-life examples? How about James, who used the metaverse to overcome his fear of flying by practicing virtual flight sessions? Or Sarah, who wanted to obtain her pilot license, now coaches others to do the same? These aren't just stories, they're transformations. So, are you ready to transform your life with the assistance of custom-made recorded videos? Are you ready to be assisted by Earth's digital twin metaverse and obtain your custom-made videos to change your life? Dive in, explore, and let your imagination run wild. The future is limitless and it's all within your grasp. Thank you for joining us on this introductory episode of How Is Really Done. Stay tuned for more insights, tips, free gifts, and incredible journeys into the metaverse. Until next time, keep dreaming big and living even bigger. See, remember, in the metaverse, you can be anything, do anything, and live anywhere. It is up to you to do it in real life too. We can show you the way. Follow us and get it done. It's your world. Make it extraordinary. Dare and do it. Please subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment as what your ideal self version is, and we will produce and upload the video.